Okay, hi. So this is my first video of my voice, or whatever you used to call it. Um, and I'm gonna do Taylor Swift Sitting Down. So I hope you like it. And yes, I have physics. And yeah, I hope you actually like it. There you go. I remember tears streaming down your face when I said I'll never let you go. And all those shadows almost killed your light. I remember you said, don't leave me here alone. But all that's dead and going past tonight. Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright. No one can hurt you now. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound. Oh, don't you dare look out your window, darling, everything's on fire. The war outside our door keeps raging on. Hold on to this lullaby, even when the music's gone, gone. Just close your eyes, the sun is going down. You'll be alright, no one can hurt you now. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound. Ooh, ooh, hi, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, ooh, hi, yeah, 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 yeah. Just close your eyes. You'll be alright. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe